Kipkee DIY Loop-a-Loop box is a super fun art activity where you can create colorful sculptures using vibrant yarn. By looping and wrapping the yarn around different shapes, you'll bring your imagination to life with bright patterns and designs. Find everything you need for looping activity in the box. The perfect gifting set, having bright colors and comes in a reusable box, has a unique attractive design and super easy to carry. Loop-a-Loop the Kipkee way with step-by-step video and photo instructions for creative thinkers. Enjoy surprise fun activity with your friends and family in every kit. Find quality materials and find fun accessories to make looping activity super fun and relaxing. Designed by moms to focus on key developmental skills and explore creativity among young explorers while making unique, eye-catching art pieces that you can be proud of. Let's get looping and see what amazing creations you can make. Join our Loop-a-Loop tribe to unleash your creativity at Kipkee, one adventure at a time.